Hello student, have a pleasant morning to you all. I, at the platform of Shivaji Group of Institutions, welcome you all with a video lecture class. Students, we were studying this short story that was Chief Seattle's story, and almost that story was completed. Only one paragraph was left. And before it, we read the poem that was Heart of the Tree. It's written by Henry Bunnell. So student, these were the chapters that have been reduced from your syllabus. These are not in your syllabus. So today we will discuss something about your updated syllabus. How many chapters have been reduced from your syllabus from the ICSE board, and how many chapters that you have to study. The prescribed syllabus we will study today. This video is only for that. So student, if we talk about this one, so the book name is, this book is prescribed in your syllabus. The book name is Treasure Trove. This is the first book and its name is Treasure Trove. Okay, this is the first book that is in your syllabus. This is the first book and it is the collection of poems and short story. Collection of poems and short story. Fine. So this book that you have in your syllabus, but if we open this book, there are so many chapters. It means to say there are 1 to 10 short stories and 1 to 10 poetry portion. It means there are 10 poems and 10 short stories. Fine. So these are the chapters that are not in your syllabus. Some are in your syllabus, but the whole chapters are not in your class 9 syllabus ICSE board. Some chapters have been reduced from your syllabus. So what are those chapters? We'll come to know this one. These are 10 poems, but out of 10 you have to read only 4 poems. So you have to note down the name of the poems. The first one, that is in Treasure Trove. The first, I hope so that the Treasure Trove, you people have the Treasure Trove, this book. And this book you also have this book. This is the volume first poems. This is the workbook of the poems. This is the workbook of the poems. You have to do it. And this third one, that is also the workbook of Treasure Trove. This is the workbook of short story. Fine. And another one, that is the Shakespeare's play Merchant of Venice. The Merchant of Venice. So you have not to study the complete play. You have to study only some act and some scene. So first we will discuss the name of the poems. The name of the poems that we have to study. So in the Treasure Trove you have to study the first number poem is The Cold Within. The Cold Within. This one is, that is written by James Patrick Kinney. James Patrick Kinney. Okay. And second one, The Bangle Sellers. The Bangle Sellers. This one is written by Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu. Fine. Now the next one, After Blenheim. Okay, it's written by Robert Southey. Number 4, television. Television. It's written by Roald. Dahl. And the last one, daffodils. This is the 5th one. Daffodils. It's written by William Wordsworth. Okay, student. So, student, these are 5 poems that is written before you, and you have to note them down. In literature book, you have to note them down because you have to study only this poem in class 9th. Because in this book, 10 poems are given, but all the 10 poems will come in your class 10th, but in not class 9th. 5 poems are reduced from here. Have you got it? 5 poems. The first one in the book of Treasure Trove, that is the collection of the poems and the short story. This one is very small book. But the first one, The Cold Within, the poem that is taught to you first, The Heart of the Tree, that will not come in your syllabus. That is not come. That is reduced from the syllabus, and that is done with the ICC board. So The Cold Within, you will read it, and Bengal Sellers, After Blending, Television, and daffodils. So just note down all the name of these books, all the name of these poems, because I teach you all these poems. Fine. And then after we will proceed the short stories, because there are also 10 short stories. These are also reduced. Short stories. Okay. So in the short story there are 10. You can see them. The first one is with Chief Seattle. The second one, Old Man at the Bridge. The third one, A Horse and Two Goats. The Hearts and Hands. The Face in the Dark. An Angel in Disguise. The Little Match Girl. The Blue Bet, The Greatest Olympic Prize, or Summer in a Day. So these are the name of the 10 short stories, but only 5 stories you have to read in class 9th, because in class 10th you have to study included syllabus. You have to study the syllabus of 9th also. That the paper will be set combining the syllabus of 9th and 10th also. So this is the whole syllabus. You have to study only 5 short story. I am just writing the name of those story. Student, you just note them down. The first one, Old Man at the Bridge. The first one, Old Man. The first one, Old Man. Old Man at the Bridge. This one, it's written by Ernest Hemingway. Ernest Hemingway. Fine. This one is first. And if you see in your book, the name of the first short story is the Chief Seattle story. That was continued. I was teaching this story last 3 or 4 lectures, but that will not come in your syllabus. So after completing your syllabus clarification, I will summarize that story, because that story will come in your class 9th. That will not come in your 9th also. So Old Man at the Bridge, and the second one, A Horse and Two Goats. A Horse and Two Goats. Fine. It's written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan. You know R.K. Narayan is an Indian writer. R.K. Narayan. And third one, Hearts dark. A face in the dark. That's written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond. Fine. The last one, an angel in disguise. An angel in disguise. Fine. It's written by T.S. Arthur. Fine. So student, these are 5 name of the short story that you will study in class 9 ICSE board, and 5 name of the poem. I hope so that you have written and note down the name of all short stories. These are written before you. You can note them down so that you will not get confused regarding the syllabus. After completing this, I will also tell you the notebooks of regarding the syllabus, how many notebooks you have to prepare for this particular syllabus. So student, the first one, Old Man at the Bridge, note it down. Old Man at the Bridge, it's written by Ernest Hemingway. And the second one, A Horse and Two Boats, A Horse and Two Boats, written by Arkin Rand. Hearts and Hands, written by O. Henry. A Face in the Dark, written by Ruskin Bond. And Angel in Disguise, written by T.S. Arthur. So student, that is the syllabus before you. That is the syllabus of short story and poems. So this one is completed. I hope so. This book, Treasure Trove, is a collection of poems and the short story. And in the short story, you have to study only 5 short story, and in the poetry portion, you have to study only 5 poems. Have you got it? Now, the next one is your play, that is The Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. We will also study it. This book is prescribed in your syllabus. So the play, The Merchant of Venice. Fine. Written by William Shakespeare. Fine. So, in your class 9, you will not study all the act and all the scene. Some scenes and some acts are decided for your class 9. And you have to study the complete play in class 10. Fine. So, how many plays and how many acts you have to study in class 9? I'm just going to write it down. The act first. Act first, you have to read scene 1, 2, 3. Act first and scene number 1, 2, 3. Fine. Act second. Act second, you have to study scene 1 to 9. 1 to 9. Fine. Act 3. Act 3. You have to read scene 1 only. Scene 1 only. So to note it down, you have to study only this much in your play that is prescribed in the syllabus, The Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. Note it down. It means in the act first. In the act first, you have to read only 1, 2, 3. Scene first, scene 2, and scene 3. You have to study only this much. And let's proceed to act second. Act second, you have to study only 1 to 9. You have to study 1 to 9. All the scenes you have to cover. Fine. Act third, you have to study only scene 1. So this is your syllabus, and you have to cover all the syllabus that is given before you. Now the thing is that how many notebooks you have to prepare for this particular syllabus. How many notebooks? So if we talk about the notebooks, so you for short story and poems. Okay, for short story and poems, you can prepare one register. Fine, one register for short story and poems, and for short story and poems it was 5. Now the syllabus is reduced. Previously, you have prepared 2 notebooks for short story and poems because 10 poems and 10 short story you have to read. Now the half of the syllabus is left. You have to study only 5 poems and 5 short story. Fine. So only one register is sufficient. You have to do the partition of that. At the one partition you can write short story, and the one you can write poems. That is clear to you? So that is the one register. And for the Merchant of Venice, Merchant of Venice, you have to make one register. Fine. So total 2 register you have to prepare, and one more register for English grammar. English grammar. Okay, one register. So student, because many students are asking me again and again how many register they have to prepare for the particular syllabus. So don't ask me such type of the question in group. That is clear to you now. One for poems and short story, that is clear, only one register. And in the short story and in the poem, because all the rest of the things you have to do on your book. This book, this is the workbook. This is the workbook of the short story. The rest of the things you will do it. You have to fill this book also. And that is prescribed for your poems. You have to also fill it. This is also part of the short story and the poems. So only one register, and the second one, the Merchant of Venice, only one register, and the last one, English grammar, one register. So total you have to prepare 3 register in English subject. Only 3 register, not 4 register. Previously you are I have told you to make the 4 register because the syllabus is reduced. It is less in numbers. So that is why you have to prepare only 3 register. I hope so that you have already prepared the register of this one, the Merchant of the Venice, that is already prepared, and this one register is also prepared because you have got the typed note in UT first, and that is only the grammar notes. I hope so that is related to your passive voice, and you have noted them down. So that's good because grammar syllabus is something common, that is not so bad, but only 3 register you have to prepare. I hope so that you have no doubt regarding the syllabus and for notebook preparation. So that is the video only for the syllabus clarification and what is the updated syllabus of class 9th ICSE board. Student, we were in our previous lecture we were discussing the Chief Seattle speech. That was really very important speech, and in that speech we came to know who were Red Indian and who were the Native American and who were the white people, and the conversation between white people and the Red Indian and the Native American. And through this speech we came to know that what was the situation of Native American at that time. They didn't have such authority and power that they must have, because they were declining day by day. And this is really a miserable story that he has written through this letter. The particular letter was written in 1854 to the government of America, who was sitting there. So this story reveals the condition of those people who really lost their livelihood, who really lost their residence in which they were living at previous time. This is the thing that is revealed through this story. This is the thing. So you people know that when you are living at your home, you feel something comfortable because we have lots of attachment and affection and feeling of some generosity and it means to say we can some lovable feeling towards our home. But if our home is lost, if we didn't find our home back, so our condition is really very pathetic and miserable. The same thing was happening. If someone came to your house and that person will say you that I want to, I'll occupy your place. You cannot stay here any longer. That there is no possession of yours. And in the place of that, because that person is buying your land, that person is buying your home. So what will you do that time? Because you are not strong enough to face them. So really it's a thing that was happening with Red Indians and Native Americans. So that we have seen through this story. So I hope so that story was really very good. You have got it very well. But that story will not come in syllabus. That is only the summarizing thing that I told you before you. I hope so that you have got the updated syllabus. That is the clarification video. And regarding the notebooks, how many notebooks we have to prepare. And in your next video, we will start the poems that is given in your syllabus, the cold within. The heart of the tree that will not come, the cold within. In our next video, we will start this poem. So that is enough for you. Thank you and have a nice day to everyone.